Hey guys, this is Swamijit and you're watching Take and Target. Today I'm here to share my interview experience for TCS. It was in the afternoon. They said it would start from 10, but it started in the afternoon at around 2:30, and they asked me if I had my lunch. And then he asked me, then my interviewer asked me, there were a team of three. There were three people in the interview room, and it was on the Meets platform, Teams platform, sorry. Mm, and then they asked me if I had any government identity proof, and they took a picture with my face and me showing my identity proof in the camera with the other interviewers as well. And then they asked me to introduce myself. After that, my technical interviewer started asking me, which is, uh, if we have to print the last number in an array of 10 numbers, which one should we use, for or while loop? Then I said for loop. And then he said, yes, it's right. And then he asked me what's the difference between C and C++. Two differences between C and C++. I said it's an object-oriented programming. And second one, I couldn't recall. I was too nervous that time. And then he asked me, you have mentioned DBMS in your resume. So how do you create a database? So I said that create a database name. Which and then he asked me which platform did we use. Then I said MySQL. What are the then do you know about truncate command? Then I said yes, it's a DDL command, which is used to delete the entire table, and which cannot be the changes cannot be rolled back. Then he said yes. Okay. Then my second interviewer started asking me, uh, what are the types of keys? I said primary key, unique key. I said the difference between the two: candidate key, super key, and one more, foreign key. Yeah, these after saying this, my interviewer asked me, and any more? I said I can't recall at the moment. And then she asked me a second question, asking what is the difference between union and union all. I said that union will join two tables, removing redundancy or duplicate rows, and union all will join two tables without removing any redundancy or any duplicate record in that table. And then she asks me what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, and I said that my weakness is good food. And then she started laughing. And then she asked me, okay with relocating, what about shifts? I said I'm okay with anything. And then my other interviewer asks me, okay, so you say that you like good food, and West Bengal being a land of culture, and West Bengal is a land of culture and is famous for food. Then he asked me, what if we relocate you to the western side of India where there is no non-veg available? I said I'm comfortable with non-veg and veg as well, because I can cook all by my own, and I even if veg food is tasty. Then he asks me, okay, so how will you manage an employee who is not listening to you when you're the team leader? So, and I replied saying that I'll ask what the problem is. If he is not interested in this project, then I'll let him know about the exposure that we get in working in this project, because TCS being a multinational company and has a good reputation of submitting their work on time, and we should follow that. We cannot let down our company's reputation. Then he said, okay, okay, that was good. And then he asks me, okay, tell me, okay, Swamiji, tell me, in which year did you complete your 10 and 12, and what score do you have? I said what scores I had. And he basically asked this because he wanted to know if I had any year gap or not. And then he asked me if I had, what was my CGPA in the current semester I was in, and if I had any backlogs. So this was all, and they asked me if I had any questions for them. I asked a few questions, like first, what role will I get once I join the company? First, second, I asked when will the results be out. They said like once our team is done with the rest of the processes, we'll let you know. Third, I asked, after the results are out and before I join TCS, do you think I need to learn something productive which will help me to perform better at TCS? So they said that you need to have good knowledge in coding. So have good knowledge in coding, and that will do. Yeah, that was all for my interview experience with TCS. Thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you. And now it's time that I tell you why Take and Target is the best channel. Anshul is a very hardworking guy, and he is always up to date with genuine content, and he covers necessary details to the point, has crisp answer to every question. Many students have been placed, and this channel has very good reputation among youth all across the country. And he provides detailed and free guidance for us to be placed in different companies. He has been a support, and he's also very motivating as well. I'm placed in two different companies. Thank you so much, Anshul. Thank you so much, Taken Target. Thanks, guys. Bye.